Hi guys, so this is FusionSight AI, and FusionSight what it does is it elevates digital experiences and unlock knowledge graphs. We basically right now offer two services, that is an audit report on a UI UX audit and a RAG intelligence that we are basically providing from business to business, that they can integrate this knowledge graph as a conversational AI that is going to interact with the user as per the knowledge and the whole information embedded inside a company. So this is for both of these applications are for transforming businesses on how they can basically enhance their UI UX and how they can improve their REC services and how they can integrate the REC services for their application for a better conversion rates. So let me get started with it. This is a kind of a sign-in that a user has to go through because so that we can have Google Analytics data, because this is how we are going to improve the UI UX, the screenshot of the website, the Google Analytics data as well as the web content. So let me just sign in through it. This is my name, this is my id. I'm going to sign through it. Basically that this app right now hasn't been verified. We are going to right now we are This is under verification and right now we are currently on the testing mode. So I'm just going to jump in and right now I'm going to continue with it. And of course I'm going to continue with everything. This is for the Google Analytics information that the user would we would need in order to basically do UI UX audits and everything. And as well, like let me start with a free trial. I want a UI UX audit, and let me just enable GA4. Maybe I can add some kind of property ID and of course kind of a date range, and then my website URL. I can take this one. Of course, like this is one of the companies that right now this is our own branch. So basically, I just added that up, and let me just run audit so that we can start with this audit service and everything. Date range has been decided. I think yeah, it is yesterday. Maybe from yesterday, how much it is improved and everything. How can we improve it? So this is kind of a like a consolidated report and everything. Right now, it is being the report is generated. In the report, we are basically reporting how we can improve the typography, we can improve the navigation, we can improve the content, we can improve GA4 analytics, like the whole GA4 analytics report and the bonus features report. So this is all the report. And in the final consolidated report, we are going to get something that is how we can improve the UI UX, the whole recommendation that we need to apply in order to make our UI UX much better and much presentable. So it is like we already have a WebSocket, so it is going to throw in information one by one. Meanwhile, this is our website right now that we are focusing on. It is going to give the UI UX analysis on this website right now, because we already had attained the GA4 metrics from this website. We already had the property ID, so we just fixed that property ID into it, and right now we are going to get this report. So of course, it has started fetching. So maybe it is going to give us some kind of way of how we can navigate to it. Like for the navigation, the executive summary, like how it what it is, what it does, like the key strengths and everything of this website. Then the detail finding, like what it includes, what it has. GA4 insight, like right now, like GA4 insights are right now not fetch. I can see it by like adding, like it will come up with some kind of recommendation on adding background navigation, optimize form usability. Like for example, this is the form. So it is telling that this is basically optimize it, make it much better. Like add tool tips or placeholder into it, as well as like implement a mega menu if necessary, then monitor GA4 metrics and everything. And of course, like if I have a consolidated report, so this is the whole consolidated report of it. This is the main report, that is a whole recommendation of it. So basically, this is going to give like the current design uses a dark background with light text and pink accent for highlight and calls to action. However, the provided data red pink color may not offer sufficient contrast. So basically, this is about this one, like the pink and everything. So this is not a very sufficient color, like as you guys can see. And of course, we are going to change this in the website. And of course, like there are also going to be another thing like the CTA. This could enhance user engagement, although the necessary adjusting the color contrast cannot be directly assessed, ensuring the primary CDS visually distinct is the general best vector for drawing attention. So it is calling out that, like making it much distinct, because it is right now at the place at the very top, very end. Um, as well as like it is going to like increase spacing between the section, because it is causing a kind of a clutter and everything. Like although into forms such as get a free consultation, there's no mention of create labels and everything with screen readers and everything. So it is going to scan through the whole website. It is going to give how we are going to improve this UI UX of this website, how we are going to improve the flow, and it is going to give us different kind of analytics like from the navigation, from the typography, and the GA4 LLM report. I think it is not going to fetch right now because of the fact that I think there is some kind of problem, and I'm going to see like what the problem is because we have just React deployed it. And yeah,